The Florida Last Will. What is a last will and testament? A last will is a set of public instructions about where your assets go after you pass away. A person who creates a will is called a testator. A person receiving under the will is called a beneficiary. And the one who administers the estate of a testator is called an executor. Why write a will? With this document, you can make sure that your money and other assets go to the person or people you have named. It also allows you to make specific distributions. For example, you can indicate what particular piece of property goes to whom, or assign an asset percentage to each beneficiary. What are the requirements for a will? To be valid in the state of Florida, a will, number 1, should be created by a person with the required testamentary capacity. This means that a testator should be at least 18 years old and of sound mind. As for the age requirement, exceptions can be made for emancipated minors. Number 2, it should be in writing. In the state of Florida, holographic wills as well as oral wills are not recognized as valid. However, handwritten wills, witnessed in accordance with Florida law, might be accepted by the state. Requirement number 3, it should be signed by the testator in the presence of at least 2 witnesses. The witnesses should be disinterested and credible, over 18 years old, and must also sign the will themselves. Number 4, it does not have to be notarized, but you can make your last will self-proving by attaching a self-proving affidavit to it, and that requires notarization. How can a will be revoked? A will can be partly or entirely revoked in 3 cases. By a subsequent will, your new will revokes the previous one. By destroying the will, for example by tearing or burning it. By operation of law, a divorce will revoke every provision regarding the former spouse, unless the will provides otherwise. How to create a will? A will can be written in 3 ways. By yourself, by handwriting or using a fillable template, by turning to a legal professional, which is usually quite costly, or through our step-by-step document builder that will allow you to create a highly customized last will.